Hey guys, AB here from B&H. Today we're taking a look at Zoom's new H3-VR handy recorder, which is basically an all-in-one 360-degree audio recording solution. If you haven't already done so, do not forget to subscribe. Now, what is this thing that looks kind of like an Apollo capsule from NASA? It's really an all-in-one recorder which allows you to record ambisonic audio, which is spherical 360-degree audio, and it allows you to record binaural audio, which is audio from the perspective of the human ear, as well as regular or standard stereo audio. Why is this important? Well, if you're a creator of augmented reality or virtual reality content, this device is going to come in very handy. However, it is not limited to only VR and AR material. If you're a live streamer, this also functions as a USB microphone which records in 360 audio. So if you're creating 360 video for your live stream and you want accompanying 360 audio, the H3-VR is a great solution. I think one of the most compelling features of the H3-VR is the onboard Ambisonics A to Ambisonics B conversion. That's important because normally when you record ambisonic audio, you need to work in post with other software to get that audio exactly where you want it. But the Zoom makes it easy for you. It does all the conversion inside, so you don't have to worry about that when you take the audio to post. And as an FYI, if you're recording in ambisonic audio, the H3-VR can record up to 24-bit 96K. In binaural audio, it's 24-bit 48K. When it comes to recording, Zoom has also included some other handy features. There's a single knob mic gain feature, which ensures that all the mic levels are equal when you're recording. There are also tone and marker features. The tone feature allows you to send audio out of the Zoom into your DSLR so that you can calibrate the input level of your camera. The marker feature plays a tone, making it easier to sync audio in post. And just so you know, the H3-VR, simple to use. The buttons are clearly marked, they're in the right place, the screen is big, it's very readable, the menu system is simple. I didn't even have a manual, and I was able to get in there and customize all the settings. Now, as far as power is concerned, the H3 runs off of 2 AA batteries, but it can also run off a USB battery pack or an AC adapter. The H3-VR also has auto mic position and level detection. Whether you're using it upright, upside down, end-fire, or end-fire inverted, the H3 calibrates the audio so that it's all aligned in post. On the H3, there are 2 3.5mm jacks. One is a line out, and one is a headphone out jack. The headphone out jack is interesting because it allows you to monitor your audio in binaural or standard stereo. The line out jack is what you would use if you were sending signal or tone to your DSLR. Zoom also provides an ambisonic player software, which allows you to convert your ambisonic audio to stereo, 5.1 surround, or binaural audio. If you're interested in how it sounds, we worked with professional trumpeter Jason Prover and his crew, and they should be popping up right about here. This is AB, and I'll see you next time.